Okay, so we're looking at Minitest 3, which is on surds, and we're on question 3. So I've got to simplify each of these and write them just in as a multiple of root 2. So the first one, I'm going to look at that root 32, and if I spot that 32 is 16 times 2, I can split that up, and then root 16 is just 4. So that's actually just 4 root 2 over 4, so that simplifies all the way down to root 2. So B, so I've got 16 over root 18, so I could just multiply through by root 18 over root 18, so that would work. What I think I'm going to do though is have a think about that root 18 first, because root 18 I can split into root 9 times root 2, so the root 9 is 3. Okay, and then that just makes it a bit easier. So now to rationalise the denominator, I'm going to multiply through by root 2 over root 2. So that becomes 16 root 2 over, and then on the denominator there, it's 3 root 2 times another root 2. So that's 3 times 2, which is 6. And then I just have to make sure I simplify that down. So the 16 and the 6 cancel through by 2. So that can be 8 root 2 over 3. And it didn't say, if we go back to the question, it just said in the form k root 2, and it didn't say k was an integer, so k being 8 over 3 is absolutely fine. Okay, and then the last one, so the last one there's just 2 surds to look at, so we'll simplify them individually. So, and again, there's a clue in the question, because I know they're supposed to simplify down to be in terms of root 2. So that gives me a big hint, so that I want to split 72 up into 36 times 2. And I want to split 32 up into 16 times 2, or root 16 times root 2. Okay, and in fact, if you're a bit more observant than me, you might have realised that we've actually already simplified that one down in part A, but we'll do it again because I've started now. So root 36 is 6, so that is 6 root 2. Root 16 is 4, so that's 4 root 2 over, oh, why am I changing that? That's 4 root 2 over 4. Okay, so that's 6 root 2. So I should really show that this all carries on. Right, so that's 6 root 2. The 4 root 2 over 4 is just root 2. So that all simplifies down to 7 root 2. Okay, so I think that's it. That's that one done.